I mean, in my other prompts, I told it to be snarky and rude, and it kind of did it. It was rude, but in a very nice way, believe it or not.
Raleigh, North Carolina, is a vibrant city known for its rich history, beautiful parks, and a thriving arts scene. Here are some cool things to do while you're in Raleigh. 1. North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences. This is one of the Southeast's largest natural history museums. It's a fantastic place for families, showcasing everything from dinosaur fossils to live animal exhibits. 2. Pullen Park, one of the oldest amusement parks in the United States. Pullen Park features a carousel, train rides, playgrounds, and paddle boats in its picturesque lake. It's perfect for a relaxing day outdoors. 3. William B. Umstead State Park. Just a short drive from downtown Raleigh, this park offers miles of hiking and biking trails, fishing spots, and serene lakes. It's ideal for those who enjoy nature and outdoor activities. 4. North Carolina State Capitol. Take a step back in time by visiting this historic building, which dates back to the 1840s. Guided tours are available to explain the fascinating history of North Carolina's government. 5. Contemporary Art Museum. Known as CAM Raleigh, this contemporary art museum features rotating exhibitions and programs showcasing both local and international artists. 6. Pine State Coffee. Stop by this local gem for some of the best coffee in town. They have a cozy atmosphere and offer a selection of delicious baked goods to pair with your brew. 7. Historic Oakwood. This historic neighborhood features beautiful Victorian homes and charming streets. A walk through this area is a lovely way to appreciate Raleigh's architectural heritage. 8. State Farmers Market. Open year-round, the Farmers Market is a must-visit for fresh produce, local crafts, and delicious food. It's a great place to experience the local culture. 9. Red Hat Amphitheater. Check the schedule for this outdoor venue, which hosts concerts and events throughout the summer. It's a fantastic spot to enjoy live music under the stars. 10. Food Scene. Raleigh boasts a fantastic culinary scene with a mix of fine dining and quirky eateries. Don't miss out on local specialties like Carolina barbecue and fried chicken. These options should provide a loving mix of entertainment, culture, and nature in Raleigh.
So I was trying to see why the image is having trouble being generated, and I think it's because when I'm asking it to tell me about Raleigh, North Carolina, it's passing in here an image representing a vacation in city, and then it says tell me about Raleigh, North Carolina. So it's kind of messing up the prompt. So I am going to do another prompt. So let's do copy, paste cell below. I'm going to change this to Chatbot artist. And I am going to change this to prompt and I am going to say an image representing prompt, but in an exciting and captivating way. In an exciting, captivating way. Make it cartoon, or does make it comic book style, and kid friendly for YouTube, and kid friendly, and safe for work and social media content. Public social media content, just to be safe. All right, so now make sure I have that. So now I'm going to take this chatbot artist function and I'm going to take it all all the way down to, let's go this way. And in here, we should be passing in, I think, honestly think.
Yo, the sign is real simple, B. It says wrap it up. Wrap that shit up, B.
I kind of think this tools call is the problem. So I'm going to do, instead of using, I'm just going to change it up a little bit because kind of annoying. And I just want to use, I don't want to use the tools call. I really just want to use this stuff right here. So if I was to go to here, message, so we got this, we got that, we got that. We don't need this one. Message. Let's do this right here. And because I'm not asking it for the flight data or anything like that. So I just want to do this. Have our response. Don't want the tools as part of it. And Chatbot. Where are you getting city from? Chat history. Messages. Okay, so let's take messages in here. I don't know where you're getting city from. Let's go with messages. Because there's no city being passed in. All right, so let's go with messages. And we will go with, so we got that, got that. We don't need this anymore. Don't need this one anymore. Okay, so image, reply, history. History is role assistant content reply. Let's try that. All right, let's see what happens. Let's say, tell me something cool to do in Boise, Idaho. Let's see what happens with this. Boise, Idaho. Anybody ever been to Boise, Idaho here? And then we'll wrap it up after that. We will wrap it up after that.
Absolutely. Boise, Idaho is a gem that's often overlooked in the travel scene, but it offers some fantastic experiences. One quirky and cool spot you should check out is the Basque Block. This vibrant area celebrates Boise's Basque heritage with colorful shops, art, and delicious eateries. You can explore the Basque Museum and Cultural Center, where you'll learn about the traditions, history, and influence of Basque immigrants in the region. Don't miss the chance to indulge in some authentic Basque cuisine. Get ready for tasty dishes like paella, chorizo, and fluffy pastries called pastel vasco. If you're in town during the summer, the Boise Basque Festival is a must-see, featuring live music, dance performances, and traditional Basque food. Afterward, take a stroll through Julia Davis Park, which is nearby. It's a lovely park offering great views of the Boise River and a perfect spot to relax with a picnic or simply enjoy the outdoors. For a more adventurous experience, head to the nearby Boise foothills for some hiking or mountain biking. Trails like the Harrison Hollow or Camel's Back Park offer stunning views of the city and the surrounding landscape. So whether you're exploring cultural delights or enjoying the great outdoors, Boise is definitely worth your time.
Look at that. We got our image as well. And are you saying I can download it? Let me see. I can download it. Look at that. Sweet. So we got, it told us all about Boise, Idaho, things we could do there. And it gave us an image representing Boise, Idaho as well. Look at that. Really, really cool. All right. That is it for today, though. That is it for today. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully, I was able to add just a little bit of value into your lives.
I've never been afraid to walk away. Left their shadows in yesterday. They thought they owned the lock and key, but I'm the storm they didn't see.
They whispered doubt behind my back, thought my strength was what I'd lack. But I've turned scars into a flame. Their doubts just fuel my untamed name.
I don't care
For which my head held high, left the chains beneath the sky. They thought I'd crumble, thought I'd fall, but I'm the one who breaks the wall.
I've never been afraid to let it all go. They thought they held the strings of my show, bound by their words, but they don't know. I'm the storm, I'm the fire, I'm the glow.
They thought my roots would never grow in fields where winds of freedom blow. But here I stand, unshaken, bold, a story no one else could hold.
They thought I'd crumble, thought I'd fall, thought I'd be nothing, thought I'd crawl, but I'm the one who stands so tall. I walk away, I take it all.
I'm the echo in the empty halls, the rebel laugh when silence calls. They thought my song would fade away, but I'm the voice they can't betray.
I've left behind the chains they made. The whispers try to make me afraid, but I don't bow, I don't obey. I walk my path, I find my way.
I don't got to, it's my head